In this video, I will show you how you can remove domain from your Namecheap account. Once you log into Namecheap account, you need to click Hosting List on the left side of the screen. Next, click this cPanel button to enter the cPanel settings page. And next, click the Domains option under Domains section in cPanel settings page. Enter the Domains section. And in this Domains page, you will see all the domains added by you in your Namecheap hosting account. To delete a domain in Namecheap, click the Manage button corresponding to the domain. And next, in this page, click this Remove Domain button to delete the domain. And again, you will need to confirm deleting the domain by clicking this Remove Domain button. And done, you can see here, the domain has been successfully removed from Namecheap account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.